Hey guys, so today I'm doing a hair tutorial. It's more of crimping. I'm using this Revlon crimp. I got this at let's see, Walmart for I'd say about like $15, 15 to 25. That's what I'm guessing. I don't really remember, and I don't have the box or the receipt anymore. So yeah, I'm gonna look for it actually on the website, and I'll post it down below on the info box. My hair is always flat and never ever is it like this volumized, so I like using this one because it just gives my hair a little volume push up. So it looks like this. You can tell some of them are exaggerated, like the way it waves. You have to make sure that your hair is dry. So this is the look. I mean the hair. The look, the hair. So if you want to know more about this hair, just go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so first thing, I'm going to spray this ion heat protection spray on my hair. Just hair doesn't get all damaged. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a brush or a comb. So I'm just going to put my hair in half and just tie the top one and just put a clip on it. So that's my base. Okay. So now I'm going to focus first on the bottom part of my hair. Okay. So I've had this on for a really long time. It's like really hot. My hair. And then start. Okay, I'm gonna leave it for about like 10 seconds and then move down. Then move down. And I'm just gonna do the same thing in each part of the hair. This is how the bottom looks. I'll show you. So when I put the other part of my hair down, it doesn't get all tangled with it. So put my hair down again, kind of brush, and then I'm just gonna take from crown. Okay, from the crown area up here. Because usually this is like my short hair. And twist. Just like so. If you can see that. Just put it up. Okay. Alright, so do the same thing. Okay, so I just finished the top part of my hair. Pretty much everything is done. I kind of want to go back and redo all the spots that I missed. I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of go back to the like little stuff that I missed. So I'll be back. Okay, so pretty much I went back and did a couple more on most of the things. And so what I do is I just kind of tease the inside part just to keep it. And that's the main concern I have, because my hair don't stay volumized throughout the whole day. It does die down because it's so thick, I mean thin, so it doesn't stay. And even if I do use what do you call it, hairspray, and yeah, at times it works, but for me, I don't like the feeling of hairspray when I have curl, when my hair is like curled, because it does tend to stick together and I don't like that feeling. It makes my hair feel like it's fake, so I don't like that. I just like keeping it natural. So pretty much this is how it's, so pretty much this is the final look, and yeah, my hair's just, you know, volumized. Yeah. And I love volumized hair. I love big hair, and I love the whole, I just love it. Okay, but yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and I know this is like my first hair tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any questions for me, go ahead and comment down below. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye.